The VEVOR 10 by 8 foot patio awning offers an ideal solution for those seeking protection from harsh sunlight and unexpected rain, thanks to its water-resistant polyester material and UV 80+ rating. Built with robust steel tube supports and a thickened aluminum top tube, this manual retractable awning is designed for durability and stability, providing reliable use even in windy conditions. Adjusting the angle of this awning is effortless with its convenient crank handle, allowing you to customize the shade between 40 degrees and 90 degrees, depending on the weather. Installation is straightforward with the included manual and hardware, although professional advice may be needed for certain wall types, ensuring a secure and stable setup. This commercial-grade retractable awning is versatile, making it perfect for businesses and residential areas alike, offering shade and comfort in various settings. VEVOR's patio awning combines functionality with style, making it a practical addition to any outdoor space, whether it's a backyard, balcony, or commercial establishment.